to know,
Okay.
how did you end up in Mexico? So, I'm about to do something that I never thought that I would be doing in Mexico. And that is, I'm going to be braiding my hair today in Mexico at probably the only black braiding hair salon in Mexico that was found by this guy. Like, no, he's not the founder, but he found it for me on Google. So, when we get outside, I'll tell you a little bit more about this story, because I never thought that this is something that I would be doing in Mexico. Mexico has about 200 million people in the country, and in this city that we're in, Mexico City, there's about 160,000 Afro-Mexicans, or people that look like me. So today, I am going to visit one of those people to get my hair done. So let's go, guys. We're going to a Afro beauty salon here in Mexico, and it's gonna be great. I'm kind of nervous, no lie. The style that I'll be getting today is I think large knotless braids, because I don't want to sit down that long. I'm in Mexico and I have to live. So the style I'm going to be getting is the large knotless braids, and the charge is 2,500 pesos, right?
Yeah.
2,500 pesos?
2,800.
2,800 pesos. That is not the New York premium, but it's the New Jersey medium, all right? So I think I'm still paying a good amount. Like 9 in the morning or something. Yeah, 9:17. My appointment's at 9:30, but I'm here grabbing food because I'm never on time. But I don't know how many salons I went to where I literally had to just sit and wait until the lady was ready. So we stopped to grab a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna be on our way, and we'll see how it goes.
You guys want to know something funny? We have 2,900 pesos or so. Oh no, 2,850 pesos, and we have to pay 2,800 in cash, and the ATM is not working right here. So we're literally gonna have 50 pesos on us, which is like $30.
So after this, we're broke. I swear, Mexico is such a vibe. Like, you could be just sitting having breakfast, and then some guy's just playing an accordion somewhere. It's just incredible.
Okay.
After waiting for what seemed like forever to get food, we're grabbing an Uber to go. Ubers here are really affordable. So we're currently staying in Roma Norte, and the place that we're going to get my hair done is in this other part of town called Polanco. So it's like a 16 to 20 minute Uber drive, which we paid 110-ish pesos for, and we're almost there. I'm not that nervous. I kind of am nervous. I don't want my hair to get pulled, you know. That's why I do my hair on my own, but I realize that it is very time consuming to do your own hair, so I'm just gonna go check out what this lady has going on over here in Mexico, because I gotta know. Finally made it! I made it, guys. I am here. And I'm late, so I'm disappointed in myself. I want black. Well, which one do you recommend? Like, oh,
Give me the thing.
my hair
is black, but it's not one.
It's not 1B. Yeah.
So if you want it long, it's good. If you want it short, that's going to be a little bit of problem.
I don't really want it too long,
But not short.
but not too short.
Okay.
So yes, I've been through a lot trying to grow my hair, and this is my hair today. Are you guys ready? Because I don't know if I am. Okay, this is my hair today. Honestly, growing up, I never thought that I could grow thick, luscious, beautiful hair like I am doing now. And it wasn't until I went natural and started doing research on natural products to use in my hair to help it grow that my hair was able to do all of this. And that's why I was excited when MD Hair reached out to us, because the products that they have included some of these ingredients that I used, and I was like, I have to partner with them and I have to show this to our crowd. MD Hair is the world's first medical grade hair growth treatment that is customized for the exact type and cause of hair loss. The company provides 24/7 dermatologist support. It is a clean, sustainable company, and best of all, which I really love, it is backed by science, and you guys already know I'm a scientist. Not everybody's hair is created equally, and what worked in my hair growth journey may not work in yours. And this is where I was very impressed with MD Hair. They have this customized questionnaire that you take, which helps them to determine what products are necessary for your hair growth journey afterwards. They also have this pretty cool AI tool that they use to analyze the overall health of your scalp, which I think is pretty cool. I've used the conditioner and the shampoo, and I also used the treatment serum. And I must say, the moment that I opened the shampoo and poured it out into my hand, the texture just felt like quality. And I've noticed less shedding since I started using this product, and it's only been one use so far. So since you guys are so cool and you watch this channel, MD Hair is actually offering you 70% off your first month's order when you use code AverySima70 at checkout. Go ahead and do it, guys. I highly recommend it. I love it so far, and I know you guys will love it too. My hair is very thick on the inside, so it's really dry, and it's also wet at the same time. I washed it last night, so I wanted to ask you a question. Okay. So we found you, and you were very highly recommended. You were. And I wanted to know, how did you end up in Mexico?
Okay, the fact is, for the beginning, I came here because of my mother's husband.
Okay.
He was working in the embassy. He was an ambassador. But now, he passed away, but I study here. And it's like, no, I study here, I do my degree, master, everything. I was working. At the beginning, when I came here, it was very difficult to find a black person. To find a black person in the street was, oh wow, we are black. So, okay, where are you from? Okay, so it wasn't easy. I remember when I want to do my hair, it wasn't
no one to
do it, but I do my hair by myself. And in my university it wasn't easy too, because when I reached there I didn't understand no Spanish. But now I'm Mexico, so
you're fluent in Spanish.
I'm fluent in Spanish, but my language is French.
Yeah.
And in English,
you're great.
I learn, I try to speak with everybody to understand. It's not easy too, because the person who are from UK, when they speak,
the accent
is different, some words are different.
Yeah.
The US person, Nigerian people, African people, so
have you ever had Jamaicans in here?
Yeah,
I'm Jamaican.
Many Jamaican, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we have a good community, big community of black people.
Yeah.
And I have a friend, he's a Jamaican guy. He's make a group from all the black people. Melania is a group. And we are here more than 400 persons, if you want, after I will give you the link. I have other persons who are like, como se llama? Yoga coach.
Oh wow.
Black people, we are many here, and everybody try to get a space, have a space
for something different. Yeah.
And like that, we try to help
each other. Yeah.
Like that. So
one last question.
Okay.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Ivory Coast, west part of Africa. I think the people know Ivory Coast because of DJ Drogba. The footballista.
Oh, Drogba.
Yeah.
Oh, I know from the song. Yeah. Joanna.
This guy from Ivory Coast.
Wow. Yeah, I didn't know that.
So that's my small country.
Yes.
That is it.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Anna Charlene Nobu. My apellido, my first name is Nobu, and the other names. Yeah.
You have other names.
Oh, I have 4 names. So Anna Charlene Akuba.
Oh, okay.
For the other person, I say Anna, Anna, because the Spanish people, when they say Charlene, they say Chenene.
Oh my God.
They call me Chenene, so I say no, I'm Charlene.
Okay, thanks for answering all my questions.
No, they ask me. I make so many interviews, so.
Oh.
Alright, so taking a little break just to make sure I go get the money that we can pay the lady because Av is doing her hair. And like I said earlier, we have literally this much pesos left after this is done. So, crossing the street in interesting fashion. Have to go over because it's kind of a highway. Yeah, so we're gonna get some money and bring it back while the hair is getting done. From the hairdresser, we learned that this is actually one of the more popular up-and-coming neighborhoods with a lot of new construction because it's a little bit further from Old Town, and new buildings are coming up with a lot of amenities, and the prices are following as well. So it's interesting to see how much development is actually happening here. It's pretty calm, pretty chill, but I imagine in a few years this neighborhood is going to be pretty busy. Alright guys, so first impressions in Polanco, I must say that this part of the city is really nice. It's so clean, it's really quiet, everybody's just kind of walking around minding their own business. There's a lot of businesses, so there's a little bit of everything. There's banks, car dealerships, grocery stores, tall buildings, construction, traffic, you name it, restaurants, they're all here. I actually kind of like it here, I'm not gonna lie. First impression is really good, and like they say, there's only one chance to make a first impression. And so far, Mexico City, I'm loving it. Oh, look, you have a little head.
And I can't let the sun hit it, so. I didn't need my face to be in there. Oh, I don't mind.
Okay.
I'm used to that.
Ça juste le nez.
Parce que je ne bouge pas.
Okay, the hair is officially done.
It's giving done. I'm finally done, and it took like 4 hours.
About 4 hours,
Probably 4 hours. And if I'm in Mexico, I'm definitely coming back here.
Okay.
So thank you so much, and it was really nice to meet you as well.
Nice to meet you too, and to meet them too, and I hope they will come back again.
Yes, we probably will. Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you guys. Thank you.
Oh my god, don't break anything. But I think
She did a good job.
yeah, she did well. They worked pretty fast,
Yeah.
pretty diligent.
That's why I did it big, because who has the time? So instead of taking an Uber that would cost us, how much you think?
It was like
Over 100
150 to
pesos?
200 pesos because it's hiked up right now.
So instead of taking an Uber that will cost like 150 pesos or so, this guy wanted to take the metro. So we're gonna go on the Mexican trains for the very first time in our lives. And I don't know, New York City has scarred me for train. So
We're gonna be fine, man.
Yeah, but the lady that did my hair, she said that the train system here is pretty good. So we'll see how this goes. But it is 5 pesos per person to ride the train. So I think when you look at 150 pesos versus 5 pesos, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. So let's get on the subway. There goes nothing. Guess what?
So far, so good.
Kind of packed in here, no lie.
Alright guys, it's absolute chaos here. Let's get out of here. Bruh, if you look at what is going on behind us, it is just completely wild. And there's mad people behind us, and guys, guess what? It is Saturday. Middle of the day. Midday Saturday. And the trains are packed, and I feel like New York is a walk in the park compared to this.
I gotta say that the subway system here in Mexico City is literally on steroids right now, because I've never seen this many people in a subway before. So are we riding the subway in every major city?
Absolutely.
And we just checked Mexico City off our checklist, and I don't think I'm going back on the subway. Maybe really, I don't know, maybe early one morning or late one day.
Early morning is not a good idea.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know when would be the best time to take the subway, but I don't know. Check it out, do it for yourself. But if you don't like a lot of people in one place and you don't like chaos, just take an Uber.
But it's 5 pesos though.
It's like 100 times the price, but you will not have anxiety.